Hello everyone. Just going to go pick up a new car. I'm in the Ford Range. I'm keeping this car. I'm just gonna go pick up a new car. I understand you want some kind of sports car. Yeah. Yeah, it's got to be sporty. Yeah, no, attract all the ladies. Yeah, of course. Well, I must admit, you look bloody good in that suit, mate. Oh, thank you. Oh, it just suited so well. No pun intended, of course. Oh, here she is, bloody beauty. It's got drum brakes on the back, eh? It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. That's what the whole car is called. The guy at the dealership said that the car was going to be ready in a few hours, so he offered for me to take his bike out for the rest of the day. The bike is called a Bugatti CVT. It's got like a V-twin 2-stroke diesel, I think. That's what it sounds like anyway. Oh, look at this fucking slow coach. Yeah, toot yourself, you fucking mongrel. Fucking asshole. Oh, we got another one. What the fuck is wrong with these fucking fuckwits? What the fuck are they doing today? What the fucking... Oh, it's called the fucking cops on these fucking slow coaches. What the fuck? As you can tell by the car I'm sitting in, didn't end up getting that new one. Ended up light scratching that guy's bike. Didn't let me take it home. Didn't let me take the Mitsubishi home with me. So I'm going home in this car now. It's all right. It's nice to be back in the car at least.